What's going on, everyone? Brandino the Car Guy here with another how-to video, and this time I'm sitting in a 2025 Mercedes-Benz E450. Today's video, I'm going to go over how to pair your phone to Apple CarPlay, how to switch between devices, and how to delete and manage your phones. So go ahead and sit back, relax, and hopefully this video is short, simple, and helpful. So first and foremost, I have my second mobile device here. I'm going to unlock that, and I just want to make sure I'm on the Bluetooth menu, which I am. And since I'm on the Bluetooth menu, I'm going to come over to the Mercedes screen, select phone, select connect device. I'm going to wait for my phone to populate on the screen. So you'll see Brandon's iPhone. We'll select that on up. We're going to wait for that. I'm going to get a message on my phone. I'm going to hit pair. And then just for this exercise, I'm going to hit don't allow, but you will hit allow. Okay. And then it's going to ask me if I want to do CarPlay. So I'll hit OK, start CarPlay, and you'll get a use CarPlay message on your phone. So just allow both. And then give this a second, and boom, just like that. So this is my Apple CarPlay. I can mess around with it. If I hit home here, where did my Apple CarPlay go? It's right up here in the top left. And let me get a little bit closer to that icon there, see if this bad boy can focus in for me. See how that white square is there? That's how you know it's active. If it's not inactive, that white square will not be there. And I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. Okay? So now that my Apple CarPlay is paired on up, I can use my CarPlay. I could say, hey Siri, I have it turned on, so she'll pop up in the car, or I can push and hold the face here on the steering wheel. Let's say I want to pair another device, okay? I would come over to this icon, which is two phones with a Bluetooth symbol in it. I want to hit it under phone, not under media. I would click it. Then it will bring me to my devices. So in here, I can switch to regular Mercedes Bluetooth, Mercedes Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay, or I can delete. So if I hit those three dots, it will bring me to the option of deleting it. I would hit the three dots, so I'll do that for you just so you can see. Delete device, and we're good to go. Okay. One thing I want to show you, so if I select Bluetooth, it'll deactivate CarPlay. So you can only use one or the other, Apple CarPlay or Bluetooth audio. They run parallel to each other. You can't use both at the same time. However, Android Auto will allow you to do so. Okay, so now you notice that white square is gone. Our Apple CarPlay is inactive currently. If I want to go back to CarPlay, I'm going to select that icon again, and then boom, just like that, it loads right on up. Okay, so now moving on to managing my devices. So if I want to pair another device, I can hit home. Then I would hit the double phone icon. Then I would hit connect new device. Okay. However, if I want to pair another device, I have to have my phone on Mercedes Bluetooth, not CarPlay. Because if I use it, I'll have to disconnect my CarPlay in order to pair another phone. Okay. So another quick tip. Two phones can be paired to the car at the same time. That is absolutely correct. However, both can receive and make calls. Only one can be Bluetooth audio. Okay. If you're using CarPlay, only one phone can be utilized for CarPlay. The other phone will just have to be used like a regular handheld device. You'll have to find out who the captain of CarPlay or Android Auto is and let them roll with it. Okay? So this screen where it says devices, and again, we'll just hit home, and you want to, if you see the phone icon, you'll hit this little guy here. If you don't see it there, you can always hit phone, go to the bar down here, hit the gear, and then it will show devices right there, and you would go into devices, and then it gives you your device list. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful. If there's any questions, please leave them down in the comments. If there's any corrections, I am human, so I make mistakes. Please also leave those down in the comments as well. I would love for you to like my video, subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos for the brands Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Porsche. I'll bring you more walkarounds and hopefully eventually other product walkarounds as well. I can't thank you so much. I can't thank you enough for watching. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. My ultimate goal is 1,000 at a time. So if you could please smash that like button, smash that subscribe, and hit that bell for more how-to videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers, everybody. Y'all take care.